This week, Carl and his team are working on the interior of the 1955 Buick to ensure the frame doesn't rust anymore. Let's take a look.
Found another small area of the car that was damaged. The corner of the hood was broken, cracked open apparently, and welded back with an arc welder a long time ago. It's probably due to the hood hinge getting gummy and sticky on this car. We'll come back and cut this weld out and re-weld it back correctly, make it look nice again. Let the body shop do their magic after we're done. We're using a product, it's a rust inhibitor. It'll turn the rust back into metal. It'll seal the rust up where it won't go any further. It also is the finish coat paint in the car also on the inside of the floor pan. Making up a witch's brew. Good stuff. Bradley and I are going to be putting a product on the floorboard of the car that'll help turn the rust back into steel. It'll stop it from going any further, and it puts a finished glossy black coat on it that really looks good. I'm going to start in the center so I can kind of work my way out. That stuff goes on really well.
It does. Get enough to do the entire thing?
We got a gallon. We'll see how far it goes. If we need more, we'll order more.
It smells good.
Covers really well. I want to get all the rusty areas. If you see any areas other than the floor that have a little rust in them, let's go ahead and put some of this on them.
Okay.
Thanks for joining us this week in our restoration wing. We hope you enjoyed seeing the progress the team is making. We'll see you next time, here on Double Clutch.